Imagine biting into your favorite sandwich, only to find out later that it was contaminated. Shockingly, the World Health Organization estimates that nearly 600 million people fall ill from eating contaminated food every year. That's almost 1 in 10 people globally. Now let's talk about something called root cause analysis, or RCA. Root cause analysis is a detective's toolkit for the food industry. It's like peeling an onion layer by layer, delving deeper to understand how and why a food safety incident happened. Let's take a real-world example to better understand root cause analysis. Imagine a food processing plant where a batch of canned beans was found to be contaminated. The plant management was baffled. Instead of panicking, they decided to use RCA. They started with the 5 whys technique. This method involves asking why 5 times to drill down to the root cause. The first why revealed that the sterilization process was not functioning correctly. But why? The second why led them to a faulty temperature sensor in the sterilization equipment. The third, fourth, and fifth whys revealed that the sensor was not properly maintained, which was the ultimate root cause. To visualize this, they used a fishbone diagram, a tool that organizes possible causes into a visual format. It became clear that the faulty sensor was the root cause. The plant took immediate action. They replaced the faulty sensor, reviewed their maintenance procedures, and implemented regular checks to prevent a similar incident from happening again. This is how root cause analysis helped a food processing plant ensure the safety of their products. Think of RCA as the Sherlock Holmes of food safety. It doesn't just look at the obvious culprits. It beyond, examining every nook and cranny, every process and procedure, every equipment and environment, to find the true perpetrator. The goal is clear: to take action and prevent such incidents from happening again. Now, you might be pondering, how does one execute a root cause analysis? There are numerous tools at our disposal that we can utilize. First, we have the 5 whys. This method is straightforward, where you ask why continuously, delving further each time, until you reveal the root cause. Then, the fishbone diagram, also recognized as the Ishikawa diagram. This graphical tool aids in sorting potential causes of a problem into categories such as people, processes, equipment, and environment, like a mind map that discloses all plausible culprits. Next, we introduce the Pareto charts. These charts graphically represent the frequency of various causes, assisting you in identifying and prioritizing the most significant ones. It acts as a leaderboard of problems, highlighting the most frequent offenders. Scatterplot diagrams are also beneficial. They depict the correlation between 2 variables, enabling you to recognize patterns or trends that may suggest a cause-effect relationship. Lastly, we have the failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA. This method helps you detect potential failures in a process or product, their impacts, and their probability and severity. It functions like a crystal ball, offering you a peek into what could go wrong in the future. Remember, food safety is not just about responding to incidents. It's about being proactive, vigilant, and always on the lookout for potential issues. The we know, the better we can protect ourselves and others. So don't wait for the next food safety incident to happen. Start your root cause analysis today, and let's make food safety a priority.